Farmed salmon?
Oh man.
Sure, kid. It may tempt your tummy looking all pretty and pink, but trust me, behind every bite of farmed salmon, there's a hidden, gritty truth most people ain't ready for.
You see, for these fish, life on the farm is sometimes anything but good, clean living.
The growing salmon are farmed in huge numbers, and when you've got so many fish in tight quarters, disease and sea lice infestations can come with the territory.
Did you say sea lice?
Yeah, and there goes my appetite.
Yep, lice. So some farmers, they just add
Antibiotics?
exactly, bingo, and pesticides into the mix, and most of them end up getting flushed